Hi guys, I'm Pooja from Alek Art and Architecture. I'm also the video producer at Home Banao. Today I'm going to take you through some beautiful puja door designs. So if you have gone through our previous video, we had run you through many puja room designs with different categories and materials. Today we are going to take you through some beautiful puja door designs that will make your space look beautiful and elegant. So let's get started, and I'll take you through all the examples. The first example of the puja door being a traditional wooden door with bells. Now, puja door has been existing ever since houses have existed, and puja doors were always beautified with a lot of bells. So here we have a wooden puja door with smaller square voids with puja bells, sometimes arranged throughout in the voids and sometimes arranged haphazardly in the voids. So this, if you have a traditional setup and if you still want a traditional look to your puja rooms, then this door is your go to option. The second door that we have is the CNC routed MDF doors. So this is the most popular option these days because of its cost, because it's economical, and because it can be used in apartments easily and it can be sourced easily. So this is basically done with CNC routed machines on MDF, and it is then coated with any wooden laminate or a painting or a paint color. So here you have the flexibility of going for a lot of patterns based on your choice. Whether you want idols as the patterns, whether you want lotus as a pattern, whether you want some floral patterns cut out on the MDF board, anything is possible. The next example that we have is the contemporary wooden doors. These doors are taken from the typical wooden doors, but they have been designed in such a way with some etched patterns or some grooves that they still look contemporary and simple but suit your puja room as well. So you can go for these doors if you have a very contemporary looking home and you do not want to give it a break with some traditional doors. The next option that we have is the ornamented wooden doors. So like our regular wooden doors, you can have some ornamentation on it with metal. So these both the examples, if you see, have one place has a metal emboss over it, creating a beautiful symmetry and giving it a more royal look, and on the other side we have a more South Indian themed metal inlay work where we have goddess Lakshmi on one side on the center, and lotus is surrounded. So this way beautiful ornamentations can be used to highlight your puja doors and make it even more royal looking. The next example that we have is the artistic wooden doors. So these wooden doors you'll typically find in most South Indian homes. These are a combination of wooden doors which are carved along with tanjore paintings, small tanjore paintings that have been embedded into these doors, all the idols, usually 8 in number. The next example that we have is the carved wooden doors. So if you still notice in places like Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, wooden carving is extensively used for puja rooms, and they are so detailed, the carvings are so detailed and done by skilled labor that the beauty is unmatched. So these doors end up being a little costlier because now we do not have that kind of skilled labor anymore, and they're usually made with teak wood, so the cost increases, but then these are the best options for very detailed ornamentations and puja doors that you want. The next example that we have is the lotus doors. So lotus is considered a very auspicious motif these days, and it suits well even in the contemporary context. So lotus has been transformed from the ancient puja door carvings to the modern uh, MDF or steel lotus cutouts. So here if you notice, there is a fusion of work in all the three examples where wood is combined with laser cut lotus motifs and used in the door along with bells. Also, to give it a very contemporary looking feel, we have just lotuses on a grey palette of panel. So the next example that we have is MS and SS Jali doors. So jalis have become a very common and the most go-to choice for all of us in the contemporary designing. So our next example is the MS and SS Jali doors. Jali is very popular these days. Jalis are being used extensively in construction to beautify facades, even in interiors as partitions and for puja doors, of course. So here if you notice, Jali screen has been used along with wooden frames for the puja door, and you can give it any color. Like if you want to highlight it, you can make it in copper. If you want to keep subtle tones, you can give it a white look. So anything can be done, any color can be opted with these Jali doors. So our next option is the grill door. Similar to our Jali door, earlier before Jalis even came into picture, we had grills. We had beautiful grill doors. Now this is taken from this. These doors are inspiration from the traditional grill concepts, but they are done with thinner metal layers, and they are done with more intricacy to give a more dramatic feel. So if you notice just how these small perforations are creating a beautiful pattern in both the examples. The next example is the fusion artistic puja door. So this is becoming more popular where people want really unique options for their homes. You can hire a artist and a carpenter who can work together to give you such doors where you can have wooden frames along with some painted glass panels with some beautiful god motifs or mandalas or floral concepts. On other side, we also have beautiful pichwai painting and kalamkari painting, which have been merged with wooden frames along with wooden carvings and bells and other wooden elements. So this calls for the most unique options in puja door, and these will work out slightly expensive. You'll have to be more patient. These can also take more time because they involve a lot of people, but this is definitely going to make your puja doors the most unique option ever and the most customized also. The next option that we have is the plain glass door. This is a simple glass door that you could find in any showroom openings, which are used here for puja room. They merge very well with the design of the puja room, so this can be a go-to choice. And glass, you can have either opaque or clear glass based on what transparency you want to give into the puja area. The next example that we have is the etched glass door. Etched glass door is usually used when you want to give the puja area some amount of light entering, but still you want to maintain privacy visually. So here the etchings will block the light and the visual aspect, but the other portions which still have the clear glass will bring in a lot of clear light. This ends up creating a beautiful drama of light, shadow and patterns, and this also works out really economical. The next option that we have is the wood glass door. This is a fusion of wood and glass. Here you can either have wood patterns in form of lures to allow for ventilation in the puja room, or you can also have wood jalis used to allow for ventilation and aesthetics at the same time. The next option is our carved wood glass doors. Here your frames of the puja doors can be beautiful carvings which are combined with frosted glass or painted glass or stained glass. to give it a more artistic feel. The next option is our ornamented glass doors, where you have simple plain glass doors which are beautified with metal embosses or metal ornamentation. The next one is our lattice door. The lattice door is basically a jali grill of geometric patterns. So these are thick in nature and they also look beautiful. Here you usually end up having neutral choice of colors to suit the ambience. The next category is division based on the door mechanisms, which is different doors that can be used in puja rooms, different mechanisms that can be used in puja rooms. The first one being the folding door, where in smaller spaces where you do not have a framework to open the door, open a double door, or have space, wall space to have the door behind, you can have a folding door which just slides from right to left or left to right. The second option being the double door, it's the most common option and it's also the most economical one, where you either have a single leaf or a double leaf for the door, which opens on the inside or the outside. The next option that we have is the sliding door. In places where you cannot use both folding door and double door, you can opt for sliding doors if you have a wall space behind for the door to slide on. So these options are best and the most economical when you do not have space for the doors to open forward and backward. So yeah, that's about the puja doors, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and do give us a lot of love by sharing your views and comments on the ideas that we have shared today. Thank you so much.